Hi, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review and sound test of the PODS. So it's nice that they give you this little card that says Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. What do you get in here? A small mini charging cable. I mean, this cable is super duper small and mini. The weird thing is they're using a micro USB cable. So it's the same type of cable that goes with, charging up your little Android phone, charging up your PS4 controller. Don't know why they didn't want to say a Lightning cable, but for some reason they didn't. So no, that's just how you put it in there. Then you get the little quick start guide. Tell you how to pair, which is a freaking pain to pair these. So I already paired them with my phone. Freaking pain. I mean, when you first paired them up, only one headphone would actually pair. Don't know why, but finally, after like 20-30 minutes, you finally do get the damn things to pair. Which is a pair of BS of how long it takes for them to sync together. Otherwise, you just got a mono headphone, or one headphone, instead of having both that plays. But I think I do have both that works, so yeah. Let's see where it is. I don't know how good you can see on camera here. But on your device, when it lines up and everything and pairs to sync, it will say TWS i7. I know some people refer to this as the i7 and some people refer to it as the i7 TWS, but here in the paperwork and on the phone when it comes up for the Bluetooth sync, it comes up as TWS i7. Not i7 and not i7 TWS, but TWS i7. So, yeah. So, just to try to play it safe, I will be playing my own YouTube video, a video that I made. This way, hopefully YouTube will not have their stupid copyright strikes. Which if they did, that would be pretty BS with their, terms and conditions. Striking the own user on their own video, that would be just stupid. That would be like the cops going after you, or like the auto dealership going after you for drawing your own car that you already bought in your own terms. No, that'd just be stupid. But hey, it's YouTube, so yeah. Hopefully these things are synced and paired. Yep. So it's up to as loud as it could get on the volume. So if you press 1, it will pause the video. And push it again. Okay, let's see. Go back to my video. Pause. Unpause. If you double tap it, it says that it's supposed to go to like the next video, but I don't feel it works for the video. I feel it works for like, if you actually have music on here. I know if I double tap on the little button